The simplest way of explaining graph is just describing what the graph model is. There's actually different models, but the simplest graph model is called a property graph model. In addition to the basic vertex and edge, you also can define properties that you can attach to these vertices. And so now you have vertices that have properties which are key value pairs, and similarly you can define properties on edges. In addition to that, you have the concept of labels. So labels allows you, essentially they're like tags, allows you to organize a set of vertices and set of edges into essentially categories or types of things. We have a language called PGQL that allow you to ask questions that are graph oriented. So for example, you can easily ask question, how is this person connected to this other person? And we also have a set of algorithms that you can run against data that's organized in this model that allows you to compute certain properties, compute the shortest path to go from one vertex to another, or allows you to compute certain properties that are attached to each vertex. For example, a large class of algorithms are so-called centrality algorithms that allow you to compute the relative importance of a vertex compared to another vertex. PageRank, which is the famous algorithm from Google, finds the most popular people in your network. There's another metric called betweenness centrality, which actually finds people that are brokers or connectors. People, they may not be the most popular, but they tend to connect islands of popularity. If you want to talk to like a very famous person, you have to go through them to get to that famous person. So that's kind of how I would describe it. So model, query, and algorithms.